explain making capacity of circuit breaker. So many a times it happens that the circuit breaker has to be closed in the short circuit condition. Electromagnetic forces are working at this time and this breaker contact has to be closed in this situation against this type of forces. So this force is proportional to the square of the instantaneous value of the current at the time of the closing. So for making capacity, peak value of the current is taken instead of the RMS current. For this, peak current of the first cycle after closing the contacts is taken because the maximum value of the fault current comes when there is maximum asymmetry in the phase of the circuit breaker during the first cycle. So it can be defined as the peak value of the current including the DC offset component during the first cycle after the contacts of the breaker are closed is known as the making capacity of a circuit breaker. Thus, making current is the maximum value of the asymmetrical current. Now, if the asymmetrical breaking capacity has to be found from the symmetrical breaking current capacity, then the symmetrical breaking capacity should be multiplied by 1.8 factor and the breaking capacity is in the RMS value, so it should be multiplied by root 2. So the making capacity can be calculated or found out like root 2 multiplied by 1.8 into symmetrical breaking capacity. So root 2 into 1.8 is equals to 2.55 into symmetrical breaking capacity. So from the value of the breaking capacity, one can find out the making capacity using this formula, and you can explain the making capacity of the circuit breaker with the concept of having the peak value, not the RMS value at that time.